Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to change aspect ratio of the project in Kdenlive. So if you want to do it, first you need to go to project bin, and then we need to add our video to the timeline, maybe somewhere here. After that we need to go to the left upper corner, and then we need to click on file settings. Now we need to go to project settings. So now we need to define the custom profile, so we need to click on this one option to manage project profiles. After that, we need to click on this one option, create a new profile. And here we need to type description, which we need to remember. Yeah, so for example, I type here simple project, and on size I will type maybe 1000, and here I will type maybe 750. Then you will see here the pixel aspect ratio 4:3. So now we need to change only display aspect ratio from 4:3. Okay, after that we need to save this profile, so I click on save profile, and now I need to click close. After that our profile should be successfully created here, so we need to scroll down and find it in the custom settings. So I click on custom, I scroll down again, and here we have our custom profile. I select it, and we can check here the frame size with aspect ratio 4:3. And of course frame rate, pixel aspect ratio, color space, and interlaced. So now I click OK button, and you may see here this information that changing the profile of your project cannot be undone, because it is recommended to save your project before attempting this operation that might cause some corruption in transitions. Are you sure you want to proceed? We need to click continue. And how you see aspect ratio has been successfully changed. So this is how it works. If I helped you, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it solved your problem.